Hello and welcome back to my channel. I wasn't planning to make a video for today because it was so hot in the studio last week that I didn't think I'd have time, but thankfully the weather has become a bit more sensible now, so I thought I'd do a quick little SixFanArts video. And I say I thought I'd do one because that was the plan, but I originally made or tried to make Chilton from Chilton and the Wheelies this morning, but I don't know what's happened, but I just couldn't get his hat right. It just looked like an almighty mess. So, you know, it happens to all of us. So I thought, you know, I'll just try and make POB instead. He's another great character from, I think, the 80s. And I'll just show you a quick pic of him here if you've not come across the character before. He often gets confused with Michael Gove, who's a Member of Parliament over here. But I thought it'd be a great use for my lockdown larder. And if you're not aware, I basically received a whole load of Sculpey clay that I received from a lovely lady a month or two ago, and I made a vlog about that. But there's all sorts of Sculpey clay, so I thought today it might be a good excuse to try out the Polymer Accents clay that I've received. So POB's hair is going to be made of the pearlescent clay. And I'm really enjoying the SixFanArts projects. I think this is my 5th now, so there's only one to do actually, but I suspect I may well continue this project because they're quite nice little pieces to make for my Tuesday videos. I try where possible to have a kind of more complicated model process video up on a Friday, which is generally one of my polymer portraits or people that I make with polymer clay. So it's nice to have an easy make for a Tuesday. Well, I say an easy make, I couldn't make Chilton this morning, so this one was a little easier, I'm pleased to say. And also I was really considering making this into a time-lapse video, but it kind of didn't really work really. I like my videos to be as relaxing as possible, but there's something about the fast pace of a time-lapse that doesn't kind of garner the same kind of effect really. So yeah, I'm just kind of doing stuff as normal I think today. And I just wanted to say a quick hello and welcome to those that have arrived via the lovely Whispers Red ASMR, as she kindly made a video recently where she talks about and shows the model that I made of Emma fairly recently, and gosh, she was so kind in it. I really wasn't expecting it, so it was such a surprise. And oh crikey, I was just in tears watching it. She's so lovely. So I'll link to the video below if you've not seen that. And if you're into ASMR contents, I would heartily recommend her channel because well, she's just brilliant really. So yeah, go and take a look. But for those that are new, I'm Lizzie and I'm a polymer clay artist and illustrator. And I make weekly videos generally, but they've been twice weekly over recent months, where I kind of make polymer clay sculptures. I have a few tutorials in the mix and some reviews, etc. There aren't too many reviews because I want my channel really to be focused on my arts, but it's just nice to do a little equipment review now and again for those that are interested. So now I can start on POB's hair, which will make him look a lot more like POB. I don't know if you remember the programme if you're based in the UK, but it was really funny. He's just, yeah, really naughty character. I really like the character design, and I'm not actually gravitating too far away from the actual aesthetic of POB. Just a few bits here and there to make it look more like a clay disarray piece, because as it's fan art it needs to be somewhere between my own style and the original. If I'm honest, I don't ever really see the point of trying to create something that's you know, a true reflection of the original piece, because if you're being creative, it should always reflect your own style really. So if you're wondering why this doesn't look truly like POB, that's the reason why. I try, you know, where possible to make pieces look like my own and individual and unique. And I think it's what all artists should strive to do really. So for his cheeks, I'll just put some little indentations in alongside. So I'm just going to add some freckles just with my needle tool here, really because it's easier than trying to add teeny tiny pieces of clay, and you know, it probably gives a very similar effect anyway. And yeah, I'm looking pretty pleased with him. I think, however, I'm just going to add a couple of little eyebrows just to give him a little more expression really, and to make it look like more of my own style really. So there we go. Sorry if I'm rambling too much on this, I had intended for it to be quite a relaxing video, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm just going to add some more of the pearlescent clay for his hair. I'm really pleased with him actually, he's come out certainly a lot better than Chilton anyway. So now I need to bake POB for around half an hour at 130 degrees. So here's the piece all done, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I don't know how easily you'll see the pearlescent effect there. I'll just move his head up and down. I think you can see the shine on there. It's quite a subtle effect, but you'd expect pearlescent effect to be like that. It shouldn't be too shiny. And if you wanted to have a more shiny effect, you could pop some glaze on there too, but I'm just going to leave this piece as is, and I think I'll find a little shadow box for POB here because yeah, really like him. So thanks for watching. If you've any suggestions for who you'd like to see given the clay disarray treatments at any points, by all means let me know below. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.